Alright guys, there was a couple of questions about your homework and I apologize I was unable to explain that yesterday because we were cut real short right after that movie finished. So I'm going to explain it real quick. If you have questions, you're more than welcome to ask, but hopefully this will help understand it a little bit more. I want you to complete the notes and turn one copy in on Canvas just so I can give you credit for doing it, and then bring the other one to class because you're going to want to add to it or change things or whatever. So under assignments and reading 2, you're going to print either the Kentucky or the Ohio. I am going to talk most about Kentucky because that's the one that I'm most familiar with, but you're welcome to do the Ohio one too. They have the same components because it's all federally regulated. So you're going to open the IEP notes, which look like this. And under the IEP notes, there's these boxes. You'll see this one here, and let's see, there's one here, there's some here, and you're just going to sort of go through and try to fill out those boxes as best as you can. If you want to print this and handwrite in those boxes, that's fine with me. Just take like a little picture on your phone of the notes and submit it on Canvas so I can give you credit for doing it. It's okay if it's not super clear. I just want to see that you tried and attempted the notes. So if you want to print it and complete it that way, just on Canvas send me a couple of pictures to show that you did it if you want to do that, or of course you can scan it, but whatever's easier for you. The other question I had was here. So you're going to use this website here to complete your notes. Now when you first open the website it looks like this. So you want to go down to this section, go down to right here, a closer look at each IEP component. So on your notes, right here, it'll say this section is the, and this section is right here, the present level. And so right here you would type in present level of performance. And you can click here to learn more about that. Okay. You can also just sort of copy and paste the summary of what that is. Okay. Each section is something different. So the next time you'll see it what is this one? And you will go back here and you'll find that here and you'll have information. So you're going to use this page to fill out the notes. Now, when you're talking about accommodations, bottom of page 4 for Kentucky, these facts are not always going to be found on that website. If you can't find them on the website, right here on our Canvas page, it says the attached document about Kentucky accommodations will help you with the list at the bottom of page 4. So this document here can help you with the list on the bottom of page 4, which is this list. And on the testing accommodations, you'll want to look on the bottom of page 4 into page 5. So this section that's called General Conditions for Using Accommodations. And there's actually, let's see, 13 things listed. So read through those, and you can either write which 3 you think are most important or some general ideas that you think. And that document will help you with this box. Let me see if there's any other things I need to think about telling you. Okay. I think that should explain it for the most part. So print it out or take notes on Word like I just did. That way you could submit this, you can save it, submit it, complete it, and then print out your completed one. Or if you want to handwrite it, you want to bring one to class. So you want to bring a completed copy to class as well as turn in a copy on Canvas so that I can give you a grade for it. All right, as always, if you have questions, let me know. Good luck.